great chieftain of the pudding race. Above them all, you take your place. Pinch, tripe, affirm. Weel are ye worthy of a grace as long as my arm. The groaning trencher, there ye fill. Your hurdies like a distant hill. Your pin would help to mend a mill in time of need, while through your paws the dews distill like amber bead. His knife, see rustic, labour dicht, and cut you up with ready sicht, trenching your gushing entrails bricked like ony ditch. And then, oh, what a glorious sight! Warm, reeking, rich. Then, horn for horn, they stretch and strive. They'll take the hindmost, on they dive, till all their wheels will kites be live, and bent like drums. The old good man mayst like to rive, be thanking hums. Is there, or his French ragout, or olio that would store Sue, or fricassee would make her spew, with perfect scholar, hooks down with sneering, scornful view on sick a dinner. Poor devil, see him, or his trash, as feckless as a withered rash, his spindle shank a good whip lash, his knee a knit. Though through bloody flood or field to death, oh, how unfit. But mark the rustic, haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread. Clap his wally, leave a blade. He'll make it whistle, and arms and legs and heads will sned like taps a thistle. Ye powers who make mankind your care, and dish them out their bill of fare. Oh, Scotland wants no skinking ware that jolts in luggies. But if you wish a grateful prayer, here a haggis. Ladies and gentlemen, the haggis! The haggis!
That's an English version of it.